Please review the disclosures. Nothing written, expressed, or said here should be looked at as investment advice or an admonition to buy, sell, or trade any security or financial instrument. The Lund Loop is for informational purposes only. Hey everybody, welcome to the Daily Update for Tuesday, September 30th, 2025, last day of the month, last day of the quarter. Hey, if you're not yet in the Discord, you're missing out. If you're a paid subscriber, get in there. And if you're not a paid subscriber, become one and get in there. I talked to a developer today, and we got some pretty cool improvements coming to Discord very soon. Knock on wood. Well, the big news, of course, I don't know. What is the big news? Is the big news the end of the quarter, or is the big news the potential government shutdown? Because we've seen today there is now a 93% chance of a U.S. government shutdown in 2025. We see there is a 87% chance of a government shutdown by October 1st. That means tonight at midnight. And an even higher odds are, will Taylor Swift release a new original song by October 2nd? 97%. So a lot of stuff out there today. But does the market care? Does it really care? I mean, I guess we could get some sort of delayed reaction if we actually close the government tonight. But if you look at what we did today, market kind of meandered all day long. It was very choppy up and down. We had a lot of names that went green, red, green, red, green, red. But here we are chopping along, holding at the lows of yesterday. Can't really break below there. And one of the things I've been saying the last couple of days, I want to see what names are going to pick up, because I think the idea is a lot of institutions, a lot of fund managers, they want to protect their bonuses. They want this market to be up for this year at least. So you'd think that there would be a little bit of an upward bias. And then we saw that starting around about 11 o'clock, 10:45 Pacific time. We just started to go up here. And instead of going up and down and chopping the moving averages, we started to see them spread out. There's the 5, the 9, the 20. And remember, when we start seeing that spread, that means we're getting some good buying or selling. We broke above yesterday's close. And then it was just a very smooth ramp on up to basically the highs of the day. So you look at the Qs, exact same thing, very choppy, up and down, above and below yesterday's close, which is this red line. But then as we get close to the end of the day, we start to ramp and we close almost at the highs. Similar picture here for IWM. Look at that. That's a beautiful pattern, that rounding pattern at the highs of the day. And finally, the Dow doing exactly the same thing. So what do we do now? Well, we take a look at these daily charts, and then we'll go through the macros and we'll put all the puzzle pieces together. And then we use those to inform what choices we want to take or consider off of the green list and the orange watch list. Remember, the green list are the things that I think have the best chance to move in the next 1 to 3 days. The orange list are things that have already moved. They're in an active state. We want to monitor them either for new entry points to add on, or if we missed out the first time, or to manage an existing position. But first, let's go through all the indexes.